Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today we get to take a look at the 2026 Toyota GR86. This is a Yuzu edition. It is finished off in Yuzu yellow. As of now, we do not have pricing for this particular model, but we definitely have a lot of nice goodies to go over for this particular trim level. It's also limited to 860 units, so it is more of a special edition for the 86 lineup. And we'll start off with what this is powered by. Underneath the hood, this has the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder boxer engine. You can get a manual or an automatic transmission, and this pumps out 228 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque. It is rear-wheel drive. It can do 0 to 60 in around 6 seconds with its 2,800 pound curb weight. Top speed is also going to be 140 miles an hour. Now, as far as the Yuzu edition goes, you can also get a base 86, you can get a premium, or you can get the Yuzu edition here. It is going to come with Brembo brakes. You get a matte black finish for the 19-inch wheels. There's also Sach dampeners. You also get the optional body kit that is an accessory from Toyota. And then for the rear, you have that duckbill spoiler and a quad tip dual exhaust with very large tips there to fill in that gap. So you have a really nice design for this model. Now let's work our way back up front, where this has a dark housing for the LEDs with a really nice design to them. You'll notice more matte black trim accents for the lower section there. There's also some trim accents on both sides, and you have a large lower grille there with 2 GR badges just to give it a cool look, along with the latest Toyota badge up top, and then some nice clean lines that come down the hood. Now, with this body kit here too, you'll notice that there's also a functional vent in the rear fender there, which is nice to see. You have black for the side mirrors there, double bubble design for that roof. So that will give you some more interior headspace, especially if you are wearing a helmet and doing some track driving with this car. Now you also notice there's a dark housing for the taillight design with the bar that runs right through the middle just to tie them in nicely. And you also have a really cool rear diffuser as a part of that body kit. Now there's also a hidden button right in the middle where you can release the trunk, and you have a good bit of cargo space. You do not have a spare. However, I think you could fit one in the back here if you wanted to. And you can also fold down the back seats. Now, if you are new to the channel, I owned a GR86 and it was my practical sports car. I could fit in a lot of items with being able to fold that back seat down, which was very nice and practical. Now, getting back to the interior, you'll notice some red accents. There's also Alcantara and leather on the door panel. You have your window controls, lock and unlock as well. And then the Yuzu edition also gets more yellow for the seats, which have Alcantara and leather. Really nice design for this model. Now, the 86 is also a 4-seater. You have that control there, and then they're manual seats, so you can slide that forwards out of the way. Great attention to detail in the rear seats here. And then you also have the release on both sides. So you can just pull on those. You will have to move both of these seats, of course, and that gives you a lot more space to put in some larger items. Now, as far as actually having backseat passengers, at 5'10", it is very cramped. You would have to move this seat forwards, of course, and my head is up against the headliner. I really didn't have anyone in the back of my vehicle, but if you needed to in a pinch, or you had some kids, some smaller kids, you could place them in the back and still have a practical 4-seater if you're looking for a smaller car like this. Now, for the interior, you get the leather steering wheel with yellow stitching. You get cruise control. You also have distance pacing, which is nice to see. And then you have volume tuning, Bluetooth controls, and some other adjustments for the gauge cluster. Now, we are in a pre-production model, but you can take a look at the other GR86 videos that we have made. All of that technology is going to be the same. You have the trunk release, a dimmer switch, one air vent there. And then you have the infotainment system, which is touchscreen. You have some physical buttons on both sides. All of the climate adjustments are laid out very nicely. And then we have the 6-speed manual transmission. So I had that in my vehicle, and it is definitely fun. Since this vehicle doesn't have a lot of horsepower, it makes it much more fun to row through all these gears and really dial in your driving with a manual transmission. Now, there's also the manual e-brake. You have a few different traction control settings, heated seats. You get cup holders and auxiliaries, so you can hide those away. You do get storage in the glove box there. More Alcantara for the gauge cluster top. And then at 5'10", I have about 4 inches or so of headroom. These seats are also height adjustable. So if you were taller than me, you can lower them or raise them, of course, And here's a look at visibility. It's a small car, but it's very easy to see around. And so again, take a look at our GR86 playlist where you can see the modifications that I did to my own car. This model here with the Brembos and the Sach dampeners, we took a high cone edition around the racetrack and they made a huge improvement over just a standard 86. So if you're looking to get this from the factory, you want some accessories from Toyota, you want everything covered under a warranty, this is a perfect option to go with. It's going to be extremely fun both on the track and mountain roads, and a great daily driving coupe as well. So there's a look at the 2026 Toyota GR86 Yuzu Edition. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a huge thumbs up and consider smashing that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on our daily uploads. I'll see you all in the next video.